Hey guys, today we are going to be washing our face. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to pick out which cleanser that you want. So today we're using the Soothing Cleansing Gel. Love it. So the next thing that you want to do is prepare your face. So you want to splash some warm water on your face and open up your pores. Okay, now we're going to get our cleanser ready. So we're going to take our Soothing Cleansing Gel and we're going to put about a dime size to a nickel size in the palm of your hand. And then you're going to take a few drops of water, about that, and you're going to want to rub it together. Then you want to apply to your face, and you want to get all over in your T-zone, on your forehead, on your nose, all around your eyes and your neck. Okay, so then what you want to do is you're going to warm up your washcloth. So you want to use either a microfiber towel or bamboo, which we have both on our website. Take your washcloth, and what you want to do is you want to start in your T-zone. So we're going to wipe up. You want to do this gently and keep moving your washcloth so you're not using the same spot. So then what you're going to want to do is you flip your washcloth over around your eyes, your cheeks, your neck. So you're not using the same exact spots that you used on your T-zone. So you're going to want to do your cheeks and around your eyes and then around your neck. So once this is complete, there's actually no reason to dry it because toner is going to be next.